Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, alright kaibigan, hopefully nasa magandang kalagayan ka. Hopefully kaibigan kung saan ka mang sulok sa mundo. Welcome to the Parking University. Alright kaibigan, time check ngayon is almost 11 PM. Dito tayo ngayon sa Parking University. It's lunch break mga kaibigan. Let's create valuable content kaibigan. Okay, i-share natin tong libro ni Florence Scovel Shinn. Ito yung The Game of Life and How We Play It. Wow, ito yung 1940s ito kaibigan or 1920s to na-publish tong libro na to. It's a very legendary book to kaibigan. Okay, so it could be mayroon tayong matutunan dito kaibigan na it could be hindi tayo aware. Okay, so ang philosophy ni Florence is itong paano daw ang buhay daw kaibigan is a game. Para to siyang laro. It's a game and it depends daw paano natin siya laruin. Kung sa basketball pa, kailangan tayong matuto sa basic dribbling, pasa ng bola and shoot the ball. Okay, so ito yung main na napakagandang binigay niya na matutunan natin sa libro niya na ang buhay daw kaibigan. Okay, so whatever na kung ano daw yung pinapakita natin, okay, it could be from our inside to outside, yun daw yung babalik sa atin. So example, ito yung sinasabi ni Florence na if you think someone, if you have hate, okay, if you have hate kaibigan, if you have anger, okay, if you have yun yung, for example, yun yung pinapakita mo, mayroon kang palagi mong iniisip, hate, anger, ano pa yung mga anything na hindi maganda kaibigan. So meaning pag yun yung pinapakita mo or inano mo sa ibang tao unconsciously, kung hindi tayo conscious kaibigan na kung yun pala yung palagi mong binibigay or yung frequency na andyan ka kaibigan, yun din yung marireceive mo. Okay, so if you have luck, okay, itong luck kaibigan, if you keep thinking luck is yung parang matakot kang maubusan, it go have poverty. Okay, poverty yung nasa isip mo daw palagi kaibigan, natatakot ka na palagi mo iniisip yung kahirapan. Okay, you are so scared na baka mawalan ka, maubusan ka in the future, mawalan ka, ano kayang mangyayari sa iyo. So yun din daw yung posible na ma-attract mo kaibigan. Yun din daw yung posible, kasi ito daw yun talaga yung game of life. It could be hindi tayo aware nito or it could be aware tayo. So kaya daw yung mga successful na tao kaibigan, it could be hindi sila aware or could be aware sila na bakit sila naging successful, kasi yung frequency na andyan sila kaibigan or yung ang nasa inside nila kaibigan, it could be love, it could be abundance, it could be ano pa kaibigan, na anything good. Pag anything na good na iniisip mo at saka pinapa-share mo sa ibang tao, respect, kung respect yung pinapakita mo sa ibang tao, you will receive respect. Kung unrespectful ka, it could be unconsciously ka, it could be pinipili mo yung tao na nire-respect mo, so yun din yung marireceive mo. May mga tao din na pinipili rin na nire-respect ka at may mga tao rin na hindi nare-respeto sa iyo. So whatever you give kaibigan, yun din yung marireceive natin. Wow, it could be hindi tayo conscious nito kaibigan. Parang nag-ano lang tayo sa buhay na basta pwede na unconsciously, right? If we are keep doing good to others or if we keep doing good things, we know that good things will come. It could be hindi tayo conscious, but it's a law daw to ng life kaibigan. Ito daw yung ganito daw i-play yung buhay. So kung ano yung gustong kung ano yung nasa isip din natin kaibigan, kung ano yung palagi daw nating iniisip, if you keep thinking poverty, if you keep thinking lack, scarcity kaibigan, yun din daw yung universe daw kaibigan, yun din yung ma-attract mo. But if you keep thinking abundance, if you keep thinking wealth, if you keep thinking kaibigan na naniwala ka daw na there is a power above us kaibigan, naniwala ka na there is God power na above us, na it can do anything. Kung isalig mo lang daw yan, kaibigan, na anything can be done, then you will attract daw dyan, kaibigan. Wow! So it's really a good learning, kaibigan, na pwede hindi tayo aware na kung kaya pala yung na-attract mo ganito or ganito kasi ganyan ka mag-isip or ganun yung pinapakita mo sa iba. Okay, so it could be good or bad. So kung good yung palaging nasa isip mo, abundance, so yun din yung ma-attract mo pala, yun din yung mga tao. Parang ano daw tayo, kaibigan, parang frequency tayo, kaibigan, nagbabibrate tayo sa frequency ko. Yung low frequency, kaibigan, pag palagi kang nag-iisip ng hate, palagi kang nag-iisip ng scarcity, poverty, or anything lack, kaibigan, yung frequency mo daw dyan, kaibigan, is pababa. Okay, so low, you are in the low frequency. Kung sa ano pa AM at saka FM. So yung mga tao, opportunity or circumstances na ma-attract mo, kaibigan, is on that low frequency. So palagi kang nanonood ng mga bad happenings, it could be anything dyan, tulis, patay, yun yung palaging pinapanood mo, pinabasa mo. So you are on that frequency. You need to be aware daw, kaibigan, kung ano yung palaging pinapanood mo, ano yung palaging binibigkas ng bibig mo, kaibigan. Kung palaging iniisip mo, yun yung frequency na andun ka. Okay? So we need to be careful kung ano yung palagi nating iniisip, ano yung palagi nating nilalabas sa bibig natin, kaibigan, kasi yun yung law of attraction, kaibigan. We are attracting what we keep thinking, ano yung lumabas sa bibig natin, kaibigan, ano yung ginagawa natin, kaibigan. We are attracting that, kaibigan, and yun yung tinatawag na frequency. Okay, so kung tayo naman daw ay nasa higher frequency, kaibigan, higher frequency is, tayo is nag-iisip ka ng abundance. Okay, it could be wala kang pera or anything, kaibigan, but you can be, it doesn't mean na you cannot be an abundant person, kaibigan. Ganito na yun. So kung ikaw ay may mata, may kamay, may paa, buhay ngayon, naghihinga, kaibigan, you can start to be grateful. Okay? Once you are grateful, ganito na yun. Kung ikaw ay grateful, kaibigan, that means you are an abundant person. Kasi nagpapasalamat ka kung anumang andyan ka ngayon. Okay? So, yun na yung simula, kaibigan, that it will open up to the universe na you are ready to receive more. Okay? Nasa higher frequency ka, kahit anong mga pagsubok, kaibigan, but you keep thinking you are always grateful. Meaning grateful ka, nagpasalamat ka, always grateful ka kung ano ka man ngayon. It doesn't mean kung ano yung bank account mo, kaibigan. It doesn't mean yan, kaibigan. Pero you are grateful, you are already an abundant person, and universe will see that, and that means you are telling the universe that I am open, I am ready to receive more. Wow! So that's why, kaibigan, we need to be careful. We are aware now that kung ano yung palaging nasa thoughts natin, kaibigan, kung ano yung palaging binibigkas natin sa bibig na hindi tayo conscious dati. It could be, for example, nagsasabi ka daw na hindi ako maka-afford yan, mahal talaga yan, hindi ako maka-afford yan. Yan, kaibigan, is a negative, ano daw yan, kaibigan, negative thoughts yan, kaibigan, negative words. Kasi sinabihan mo na wala kang paniwala sa universe, or sinabihan mo yung sarili mo na you cannot really afford. Then it's true, totoo yan, kaibigan. The universe will just give you that you cannot afford. But kung i-change natin yung mindset daw, kaibigan, pag mayroon tayong gustong bagay, okay, pag sabihin natin, instead of saying I cannot afford, you will say I am abundant person, I can afford this, I can afford this. Kahit wala kang pira ngayon, sabihan mo lang yung sarili mo. It could be sabihin ng iba na ano yan, crazy yan. Ano ba yan? It's a weird nga nung sasabihin mo sa sarili, kahit wala ka, sasabihin mo na mayroon ka. Kasi ganun dito, kaibigan. Yung subconscious natin mind, kaibigan, hindi niya alam reality or fancy lang ba yan or imagination mo. I-accept niya na you are capable. Pag sabihin mo na, yes, I am an abundant person, kaya ko yung bilhin. Okay? Kung hindi man ngayon, kaibigan, but if you keep thinking that the universe will slowly give you some opportunity, move people around the whole globe, kaibigan, give you ideas, para makuha mo yun. So yun yung ano daw na instead of saying mahirap talaga ako, hindi ko yan kaya, pwede mo yang sabihin, which is kung yan yung sabihin mo kaibigan, ina-accept mo daw yan kaibigan. May kasabihan na what a mind conceive it can achieve. Kung ano yung iniisip mo, totoo yan, ma-achieve mo yan. Pag sinabi mong hindi mo yan kaya, totoo yan, hindi mo yan kaya. Pag sinabi mo yung instead of sabihin mong hindi mo yan kayang bilhin, I can buy that, I am an abundant person, money will just flow to me effortlessly. Kung hindi man ngayon kaibigan, but you just affirm to yourself that you can afford that, then you are just telling to yourself and the universe that you are ready to receive. As may kasabihan nga kaibigan na walang imposible, it could move people, circumstances, anything para lang ma-achieve yung goal mo kaibigan. So let's start now. Mayroon na tayong idea na ganito pala tong buhay kaibigan. Kung ano yung iniisip natin, kung ano yung lumalabas sa bibig natin, sinasabi sa bibig natin, kung ano yung feeling natin, na kung may hate ka, anger, kung yun yung palaging inano mo kaibigan, yun din yung marireceive mo. So we should choose carefully kung ano yung nasa thoughts natin, ano yung feelings, kung ano yung ibigay natin. If you want to become an abundant person daw kaibigan, then start giving. Kahit wala kang pira, anything you can give, smile, help, services, or if you have something, give. That's you are showing to the universe that you are an abundant person. So the universe will see, oh, you are an abundant person, you are acting as an abundant person, I will give you more and more. Wow! Yun yung secret of life, sabi ni Florence Noble Shen. Alright kaibigan, hopefully may natutunan tayo ngayon at hindi ko nasayang yung oras mo. I hope you will kaibigan. Close your eyes, open your arms, touch your legs, and this all be yours. Peace, love, good health, abundance, all the riches in the world sa'yo na yan. Boom! Shakala nagkalakala. See you next time. Boom!